The magnetic field due to toroid. Toroid is like a solenoid. Okay, if we join the both end of if we please be silent. If we join the both end of the solenoid, then it will make a toroid. Okay, so but in this case, because magnetic field will be along so we may consider that the path along the circular path, we may consider that that will be passing through the magnetic field, because as we join the both edges, we have also joined the edges of the A to B.
Yes.
Okay, and but what will be the difference in the case of solenoid? In toroid, L will be equal to L now. That is different. In solenoid, L is less than L naught. That is main difference between toroid and solenoid. Okay, so that's why we will consider the total current. So we know that B dot dl along the closed line, that will be mu naught current enclosed, and that will be a, because B is also along the this L, and the distance R is constant. So angle B, what will be the angle? BDL cos 0, because L is also along cos 0, that is 1 mu naught I enclose, that is equal to 1. So B is constant, as I have already explained. So close. What is the length of the close length of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r mu naught I. Okay, but here enclose I is the total. I enclose total current passing through entire toroid. So now we will not consider the number density, but we will consider the total n. So I will be equal to, because it is total, so that will be a ni. That will be not a number density per unit length. So that's why this will be a, that is different for total. But for solenoid, that is different. For solenoid, NLI, for toroid, that will be NI. And I have already explained N is total number of total number of turns. with M is total number of turn in entire okay. So B 2 pi r mu naught n I. B equal to mu naught n I 2 pi. This will be a magnetic field. Okay. It is same if we consider length L is equal to 2 pi r for toroid. Agar if in solenoid we consider length is 2 pi r, then the result will be the same. Because if we turn the solenoid and we consider if we put this value L equal to 2 pi r in the formula of this the formula of solenoid 2 pi L, if we put this become mu naught n I. If we turn the solenoid into toroid, अगर हम चेंज करते हैं तो दोनों चीजें सेम हो जाएंगी. तो अगर मैथमेटिकली डिफरेंस भी है तो फिर भी रिजल्ट सेम होना चाहिए. हमारा रिजल्ट सेम नहीं आ रहा, ये हमने वेरीफाई करा. अगर सोलेनॉइड को ही हम टर्न करें, वही फार्मूला यूज करते हुए सोलेनॉइड को ही टर्न कर लें तो टोरॉइड, तो हमारे रिजल्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगी. मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं. ओके, और ये जरूरी है. ठीक है, दैट्स ओके. वो टोरॉइड, वही कहना चाह रहा हूं कि अगर वही फार्मूला यूज करते हुए अगर हम सोलेनॉइड को टोरॉइड बना देते हैं तो रिजल्ट में चेंज नहीं आना चाहिए ना, फिर टोरॉइड जैसा होना चाहिए. तो टोरॉइड जैसा. ठीक है, ओके.